Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your Android phone's password, PIN, or pattern lock, getting locked out of your device can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is that there are several ways to regain access. In this video, I'll show you 2 effective methods to unlock your Android phone. Before getting started, make sure your phone has enough battery power or keep it connected to a charger throughout the process. Also, keep in mind that a factory reset will erase the data stored on your device. Let's start with method 1, performing a factory reset through recovery mode. First, power off your Android phone completely. Most Android devices use a combination of the power button and one of the volume buttons. Once you've entered the Android recovery menu, use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to confirm your selection. Scroll down and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Then confirm the action and wait for the process to finish. After that, return to the menu and select Wipe Cache Partition if the option is available on your device. Finally, choose Reboot System Now and allow the phone to restart. Once the reset is complete, your device will return to the setup screen just like a brand new phone. Now let's move on to method 2, removing the Google FRP lock. After a factory reset, many Android devices will require verification of the Google account that was previously linked to the phone. This security feature is called Factory Reset Protection, or FRP, and it's designed to prevent unauthorized access to a reset device. If you can't remember the Google account credentials or don't have access to them anymore, you'll need to bypass the FRP lock before you can use the phone. That's where PassFab Android Unlock comes in. Download and install PassFab Android Unlock using the link in the video description, then launch the software on your computer and select Remove Google FRP. Next, choose your phone's brand and Android version. If you're unsure which Android version your device is running, the software can help identify it automatically. Click Remove Now and connect your Android phone to the computer. The software will begin the FRP removal process and guide you through any device-specific steps that may be required. During this process, your phone may restart several times, which is completely normal. Once the removal is complete, your device will reboot and return to the setup screen without requiring the previous Google account. You can then finish the setup process and access your home screen normally. And that's it. That's how to unlock an Android phone when you've forgotten the password, PIN, or pattern lock. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more Android and iPhone tips, tutorials, and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.